How to place an image as a layer in Photopea. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will take you step by step how to do this. Because a lot of people would have problems with Photopea not doing that. Instead, it's just going to open up a new tab with the image. It's not going to work. So this is why I'm going to show you. So this is, the basics, but it's always important to learn the basics. So all we need to do first is just go ahead and add an image to or start our design. So I'm just going to click on open from computer and I'm just going to use this one as an example. Great, so now we have this background image and basically we want to add a layer on top of it. How do we do so? An image of ours that we want to add. And you can see here on the right panel, you will see the layer section. So obviously you can do so, but how do we do it? Because a lot of people just go in and go to the file section, click on open, and then they open up this one and it's just going to open up a new tab instead of opening up or adding it as a layer. So what do you do in that case? In that case, you basically want to remove this. We don't really want to do it that way. All we need to do is just go to file, and then basically you want to click on open and place. You don't want to click on open. You want to click on open and place. So once you do that and select the image that you want, it's actually going to be added here for us as a layer. So next step is going to be adjusting them. So if you want it to be at the top, you can just move it around from this right panel. So you can make it the top or the bottom. You can feel free to do so. And you can also feel free to resize it to your liking if you want to. And if you hold shift, you can also do so like that. So yeah, again, just go ahead and click on file, open in place, and you'll be able to add the images that you want. And now we have different layers right on top of each other, like so. And this is one way to do so. So we can just go ahead and basically keep opening and placing, and it's just going to be placed in that specific tab. Now, another way is if you want to use an image from a website, for example, Photopea, which is a free website that you can use images from. You can also copy an image there and just paste it here and it's going to work. So now I just went to Photopea where you can just get free images. Let's say I want to use this one and I wanted to layer on top of my design here. What you want to do, obviously thanks to them, but all you need to do is just go in and right click on it instead of downloading it and doing it the same way, which you could do so, but you can also just copy it. So just click on copy image and just go back and you can just go ahead and actually paste it in over here. If you just go in and do Control V. And once you do Control V, it's just going to paste in the image over here. And obviously you can feel free to move it up and down to your liking. So these are two different ways you can add images as layers in Photopea. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and thanks for watching.